Gmail notification problems have become increasingly common in 2025, especially after major operating system updates. Understanding why these issues occur is the first step to fixing them. The primary culprit behind Gmail notification failures are recent operating system updates. Android 15 and iOS 18 have introduced stricter privacy controls that can interfere with how Gmail delivers notifications to your device. Android 15 introduced a new notification permission manager that requires explicit permissions for each app. iOS 18's Focus Modes 2.0 can override individual app settings, blocking notifications even when you think they're enabled. The scope of this problem is significant. Approximately 23% of Gmail users report notification issues after major OS updates. However, there's good news. 67% of these problems can be resolved with basic troubleshooting steps. Gmail itself has also contributed to notification issues. Version 2025.07.30 introduced new notification categorization features that can sometimes incorrectly filter important emails, causing them to be delivered silently or not at all. To understand why notifications fail, we need to understand how they work. Gmail uses different push notification systems for each platform: Google Cloud Messaging for Android devices and Apple Push Notification Service for iOS devices. For notifications to work properly, several key requirements must be met. First, you need proper app permissions. Android's new permission system requires explicit approval for notifications, as shown in these permission settings. iOS 18's focus modes can be particularly tricky. These modes are designed to reduce distractions, but they can inadvertently block important Gmail notifications. The Focus Settings screen shows how these modes can override your app-specific notification preferences. Even within Gmail itself, notification settings can be complex. The app has multiple layers of notification controls, and sometimes important categories like mail notifications can be accidentally disabled while other Gmail notifications remain active. Understanding these underlying causes helps explain why Gmail notifications might suddenly stop working. The combination of stricter OS privacy controls, new Gmail features, and complex permission systems creates multiple points where notifications can fail. The good news is that most of these issues have straightforward solutions. For Android devices, Gmail notification issues can be resolved through a systematic approach. We'll start with the most common solutions that fix the majority of problems. First, check notification permissions. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Gmail, and finally Notifications. Make sure all notification categories are enabled, especially the mail category, which is often disabled by default. Next, check battery optimization settings. Gmail needs to run in the background to receive notifications. Set Gmail to unrestricted in your battery settings to prevent the system from limiting its background activity. Also verify notification permissions in the privacy settings. Go to Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager, then Notifications, and ensure Gmail is enabled. This is a newer Android feature that can block notifications even when app-level permissions are correct. For iPhone users, the troubleshooting process is different but equally systematic. iOS has its own set of notification controls that need to be configured properly. Start by checking notification settings. Go to Settings, then Notifications, then Gmail. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and configure your preferred alert style and notification grouping. Enable Background App Refresh for Gmail. This allows the app to check for new emails even when you're not actively using it. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and make sure Gmail is enabled. Check Focus Mode settings, which can block notifications. Go to Settings, Focus, and review each focus mode to ensure Gmail notifications are allowed. Focus modes can override individual app notification settings. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced solutions. These steps address deeper system-level issues that can interfere with Gmail notifications. For Android, disable adaptive battery specifically for Gmail, clear the app's cache and data, and reset network settings if you're using a VPN. These steps resolve conflicts with Android's power management and network optimization features. For iOS, check screen time app limits that might be restricting Gmail, test with low power mode disabled, and consider removing and re adding your Gmail account. These steps address iOS specific power management and account synchronization issues. Low power mode on iOS can significantly impact notification delivery. When enabled, it restricts background activity for apps to conserve battery, which can delay or prevent Gmail notifications from appearing. Here's a quick reference for the most effective troubleshooting steps. These solutions resolve notification issues for the majority of users experiencing problems with Gmail notifications.